Assalamu alaikum, welcome to the video. Here we have question number 2 of exercise 3a. It says correct 45.73952. Part 1 says 1 decimal place. Okay, one decimal place means the number which is written on the right at the first place after the decimal point. As you can see, after the decimal at the first place is 7. So first I will have to identify the number which is at the given, sorry, it's 95. Okay, 45.7395. One decimal place means 7 is at the decimal place. So will I move up or right? So for that I have to up or down, round up or round down. So for that I will look for the number on the right. So the number is 3, which is less than 5, so I will round down. Okay, in this case I will not write 0 here. Why? Because my answer should contain till 1 decimal place. So after 1 decimal place means that after point my answer should contain only one number. So I will use only 3 in my mind. Should I move up or down? So it is sure that I have to move down. So the 7 will not be increased. The 7 will come as it is, and all the number on the left we all know they come as it is. So 45.7. Okay, will I write all these numbers? The answer is no, because my answer should contain only 1 decimal place. So 45.7 is my answer for part A. As you can see, the answer is containing only 1 decimal place. Part B here says the nearest whole number. The nearest whole numbers are, the complete number. They are not in decimal, not in fractions. The complete number. As you can see, this number is not a whole number. If I have to make this a whole number, I have to forget all these numbers and consider only 45. So 45 will be a whole number, 44 will be a whole number, 40 will be a whole number. Okay, so these numbers are whole numbers. So to convert this number to the nearest whole number, I will have to identify that after 45 which number is written on the right, on the first place of the decimal point. So should I round up or round down? So as you can see here, after the point the number is 7, so 45.7 is closer to 46, so I have to move up. 7 is greater than 5, so I will move up here. Okay, so 45.7, it will be rounded off to, as you know that this number is added 1, so 46 is my answer, and 46 is a whole number as well, so this is my answer. Now the third one is similar to the first one, 3 decimal places. I will have to write the given question once again. 45.7395, 3 decimal places means after the decimal, third place, first, second, third. Okay, 9 is at its place. To round this off, I will have to see the number on the right. The number is 5. I will move up, so 5 will be discarded because I need only 3 decimal places after the point. So after the point only 3 numbers should be in my answer. So I will have to add 9. I will have to add 1 in this 9, so it will be 0 carried 1. This will be 3 plus 1 is 4, 7 as it is, point, and 45. 45.740. This is my answer. Okay, so here we have question number 3. The dimensions of a rectangular plot is are 28.3 meters by 53.7 meters. For your understanding, I've made a diagram here. You can see it's a rectangular. The longer side is, you can see, 53.7, it is more, and the shorter side is 28.3 meters. Okay, so first part says that the perimeter, we have to find the perimeter of the land correct to the nearest 10. Okay, so first we will find the perimeter and we will round off the answer to the nearest 10 meters. So what is a perimeter? Perimeter is simply the sum of all 4 sides of a given diagram. We will add all these 4 sides. Okay, so you know that this side is 28.3, the opposite side is equal to it. So if this side is 28.3 meters, so this side will always be it will be the same, 28.3 meters. Same goes here, 53.7. The opposite side is equal here, so this side will always, this side will be also equal to 53.7 meters. So 28.3 meters, 53.7 meters, 28.3 meters, and then again 53.7 meters. So I know the lengths of all four sides. I would simply add all four sides to find the perimeter. So perimeter equals to, I will add the first two sides first, 28.3 plus 53.7. these are these two sides. Now I will add these two sides which are same. Okay, so I will add again 28.3 plus 53.7. After adding all these, the answer I've got is 164. Okay, now I found the perimeter. I will round this off to the nearest 10. Nearest 10 means unit 10. The number is 6. I will look for the number on the right. If this is greater than 5 or less than 5, this is less than 5, so I will round up. So round up is a simple rule. 4 is replaced by 0. We will not add anything here. It will be as it is, and 1 will be carried down as it is. So perimeter answer is 160 rounded off to the nearest 10. Okay, part 2 says the area of grass needed to fill up entire plot of land. We have to find the area of this plot here, and when we find the area, we have to correct it to the nearest 100 meters square. Okay, so for area, you know that we just have to multiply the two adjacent side. Adjacent means they should have a common point here. Okay, these two sides, we know the length of these two sides, we will simply multiply these two sides of the plot. So for area represented by A, we will simply multiply 28.3 with 53.7. The answer is 1519.71 meter square. Okay, so correct to the nearest 100 meter means we have to find the 100 place, unit 10, 100. Okay, 5 is at the 100th place. I will look for the number on the right. It is less than 5, so we will round down. This will be replaced by 0. This will not move up, so it will be as it is, and number on the left will be copied. On the all the numbers on the right the numbers after the decimal point will be ignored, because I don't want the numbers in the answer in the decimal points. We want it in whole numbers, so 9 will be converted to 0 only, and these numbers will be ignored. Okay, so area is simply 1500 meter square. This is my answer. Okay, so here we have question number 4. It says I have to round off 4.918 to the nearest 0.1 meters. Okay, 0.1 meter means I will look for the number which is at the 0.1 meter place. It means that I will compare 0.1. I'm writing 0.1 here so you can understand. 0.1 below, point should be below point. So if I compare that, 1 is at the place of 0.1, you can see here. So 9 will be my number. I have to round off. So 4.9 I have to round off. I will look for the number which is on the right. I will look for the number on the right. The number is 1, so I will move down. I will round down. So the answer should contain only in 0.1 meter. It means that in my answer should contain only one place after the decimal, so it should not contain 1 and 8. So I have to do this in my mind. So after 9, 1 is written, 1 is less than 5, so I will round down. So 1 will be removed, 8 will be removed, and 9 will come as it is, as we are rounding down, and 4.9 will be given here. So 4.9 is my answer. Okay, part B is for your homework. It's very easy and you can do it by yourself. So part C, it says $10.982 to the nearest 10 cents. Okay, 10 cents means, you can see here, 10 cents. Okay, sorry for the delay, there was an inconvenience. Okay, so part C says $10.982 to the nearest 10 cents. Okay, you have to understand that we have to convert it into 10 cents. The question is given to us in dollars, so I have to convert this 10 cents, that how many. So for that, first we need to find out that how many cents are there in $1. So for that, I'm doing some work here. 100 cents, 100 cents equals to $1, and 1 cent will have, it's for the I want all of you to recall the directly proportional lectures. So if I'm writing 1 cent here, so 100 will divide here. Okay, this is the unitary method, remember. So 1 will be divided by 100. The answer is 0.1. In the question 10 cents are asked, so I will now find that how many cents are in, how many cents are equals to how many dollars. 10 cents are equals to how many dollars are here. Okay, so 1 cent is equals to $0.1. Now I will multiply 1 by 10 on both sides. 0.1 also multiplied by 10. So 10 cents, 1 times 10 is 10 cents. 10 cents equals to 0.1 into 10 is 0.01. 0.1, sorry. I'm sorry, 1 upon 100 is 0.01. 0.01. 0.01 multiplied by 10 is $0.1. So 10 cents equals to $0.1. To the nearest 10 cents, I can write here or $0.1. So we will do the same thing here. $10.982. I have to convert it to the nearest $0.1. So 0.1 will be, I'm writing this 0.1 here. 9 is at its place. So 9 will be my number which I will have to consider. I will look for the number on the right. It is 8. You can see 8 is greater than 5. So I will round up. So 9 will be increased to 10. So 0 will come here. This 8 will be replaced by a 0. And 9 plus 1 will be 0 plus 1 here. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 as it is. So it's $10.982 when converted to the nearest $0.1 is $11. This is my answer in dollars. So question 4 is done here. I want you to do the remaining parts by yourself, practice them at home, and if you have any confusion you can ask me in the comments below. See you in the next video. Jazakallah.